In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tutorial, Invoicing Customers. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating and recording an invoice so you can get paid accurately and keep your books tidy. First, look to the top left of your QuickBooks screen and click New. This is your main action button, and it's where most day-to-day transactions begin. From the menu that appears, choose Invoice. That opens a clean invoice form where you'll enter the details for this sale. Start with the customer field. If the customer already exists in your QuickBooks, selecting them will automatically fill in their stored details, like billing information. This saves time and helps prevent typos. If the fields don't autofill, take a moment to type in the customer's information carefully. Accuracy here matters, because these details flow into your reports and help ensure your invoice reaches the right person. Next, add the products or services you're billing for. Use the line items to choose each product or service and then enter the proper amounts. If you track quantities and rates, make sure those are correct so QuickBooks can calculate the line totals for you. Include clear descriptions so your customer understands exactly what they're being billed for. This reduces back and forth later and speeds up payment. If you offer multiple items, add each one on its own line so the invoice remains organized and easy to read. As you fill in the form, take a quick glance at the invoice date and the total at the bottom. The invoice number is typically assigned automatically, and the date tells QuickBooks when to recognize the transaction. Before moving on, double-check spelling, quantities, and prices. A 30-second review now can save you a correction later. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. QuickBooks records the invoice and adds it to your books. You'll be able to find it in your list of invoices anytime you need to review it, make an update, or see its status. Recording the invoice ensures your sales and accounts receivable are up to date, so your financial reports reflect what customers owe you. To recap, you clicked New, selected Invoice, entered your customer details, added the products or services with the correct amounts, and saved and closed. With those steps, your invoice is now recorded and ready for your normal workflow. Keep practicing this process, and it will quickly become second nature.